Hello, trader. Welcome to my channel. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Good morning, uh, globally as well. Quick update on Forex market. Today is the 3rd of June, 2020. It's quite late video. Sorry, I've been busy all day dealing with other things as well, personal matters. So I'm quickly looking at S&P 500 now on the daily. See that it's kind of like keep pushing up. In my opinion, it is a bubble and is not really showing uh, strong. It is strong, it's going up. But what happened in US at the moment, it's worrying for the economy, plus the pandemic as well. I'm looking at the hourly now. We looked at, we broke out of the high of the opening, we'll come back down, we'll break through, we'll come back down. It's trying hard to go up, and now we have breakthrough from this breakout. There was a good trade during the night in UK time here and US as well. So before the opening, also all this momentum up, and it's great momentum up. But let's see how strong this momentum it will hold. So we have 1 hour time frame here. Let's see whether or not we're going to break even more higher. We overall actually just to be clear about that as well. We are today up. Just get that. So today is 1.30% higher than yesterday. So overall, anyway, I'm like percentage from the opening. And the previous day, yesterday was 0.75%. I'm looking at it here. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. For example, today is around there. You look up there, you see it, how much percentage went up today. And we are close to the highs by 8%. Sorry about my 8. So we are about 8% away from the previous high, 4% from this low. If I just keep the chart up to the day, this day here, all the way up till today, we're about 7%, minus 7% from this high. So we calculated from here, come back down, come back up, and that's where we are now. Used to be about 32% down, now went up all the way to 7%, only and a half left before all-time highs, before the pandemic started. Still, coronavirus is still out there, and what happened in the US now is it's crazy, and I don't think that will be resolved overnight or over a week. It could take months to resolve this issue, plus coronavirus pandemic, the second peak as well. You should keep that all in mind. My point is don't trade long term. If you see the momentum is up, if you go down to the 5 minute like I normally do, you see that spikes here, one, another try, three times, try to break, and the first time was successful here. 20 moving average is your key, and you see that it's keep breaking up, all the angles breaking here, here, break up higher, higher, and now we have a deeper pullback. And the last 5 minute, see that we have a big push back up again to the highs. It could be exhausted move, and probably gonna see collapsing back down before the close. I think we have like an hour and a half left before the market close in US, so watch out for this holding level here on a 5 minute, whether or not we'll come back up again or actually go down and try to close the session on a spike high. If we close this sessions close to a dodgy candle like this one, I could say this is dodgy or rejection or a failure to break high. We're above the 4 hours as well. There's a lot of indication that could be the case. In the last 4 hours, three candles. See that we still around this level here. Is a big move, but the 4 hours starts losing steam. If you look at this 4 hours, looks strong. And that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. 4 hours is looking like barely moving up. So if we see a big candle override the last two candles, that could be indication of going down. That could be a good buyer from pullback or from the next session. So or if you don't think that's the right move for you, you just stay on the side. If it's keep going up, then maybe you can trade only. You can do 5 point, 4 point, even 1 point. If your strategy is suitable for this kind of scalping behavior, then you can do that on the future trading platforms. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like and support the channel. Leave me questions if you have any question regarding trading. I will be happily answer anyone. Talking about gold now, we're looking at gold. Quick review. See, gold look like is losing momentum because of S&P 500 keep going up. We break out of this level. We're at the moment testing this angle trend line. We broke out through once, come back down, test it, and come back again. Is giving me 1, 2, and 3 broke. So let's see that 3 is going to be successful or not. We're going to know that tonight before the close. If gold come back up to the 20 moving average, then that could be something similar to this spike here. I'm probably going to see some momentum back up again. And also don't forget this Friday is a non-farm payroll as well. It will take today is Wednesday, so I'll go one more day to see where we're going to go from there. Probably we're going to see some slowdown in the market. Probably we'll come back down to the average moving average. Then from there we'll see what's next, either up or down. In my opinion, I think it's going to go up a little bit more. It's going to just try to fool traders. Is going back down, but actually maybe can come back up and start to collapse from there. Okay, moving on for next oil. Sorry, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin yesterday did this momentum down. Gold was weaker against the dollar. Basically, we have a rejection here, just 2 days rejection. Today is very weak momentum. Try to catch up at least 50% of the move. One from here, about around here. That's the 50%. Can really even go up there. So what's next? Could be just another day up until it reaches this level. There's going to be Salah waiting to push it down. If the momentum back up again, we should have seen today stronger momentum up, but we don't see that. This is not available. So probably the only the day you're going to see before we actually go down more. We went up, rejected, come back down, and we just come near the average price, 20 moving average, the last 20 days price average. So that's where we are now. And if you know in this market, I suggested that you wait for breakout of this day. It will be very interesting momentum up or down. Okay. Other than that, you stay away after non-farm payroll because it could move really crazy. So don't risk much money, especially what's happening in US. And if dollar become very weak, stuff like that, probably we're gonna see Bitcoin pushing up. Oil, so I saw some news of oil. I'm not gonna bother you about it now, but oil looks like it's gonna go down from there. If we close the day indecision, no winner, no buyer, no seller winning this day trading, and that could be indication of going down from here, or maybe slight retracement. Then we'll probably push back up again from the breakout to here. We'll be looking for a major move, and that will be equal to 61%. If that's the case, if it started go down from there, so probably the 38% is going to be your support if we're going to see some bulls coming to this market. If it's not, we'll break below it and we'll start to go down for a second leg. Okay. Dollar index, you see they keep going down. I told you that yesterday. We broke through and looks like we're going to hold and come back down again. There's a trend line here. Let's see if it's going to actually catch up with it. Pull back maybe to by tomorrow as well. We're going to see another candle here on non-farm payroll. Probably going to see some wick candle, and after that maybe we'll come back for pull back up at least around this one. That's the first support, or even below this one. That's going to be the first area of resistance. Here, all this swing lows is going to be a resistance level. Okay, not this one, but maybe this one will break a roll. We're already below it now, below this candle wick. So let's see if it's going to go a little bit more, then come back up, probably come around this wick first, and I'll go another major move if that's the case. If it's not, we're going to bust this level. That will be the next level to watch for. On the other hand, you can trade the euro. See the euro accelerating up. I talked about these lines here and where we stalled just around this level here, resistance. Yesterday we were talking about this one who broke through. I was looking for a small pullback and continuation back up, but what happened is we just keep going up. Similar situation happened here before, and looks like we're gonna have another leg up here. So that's your first resistance. If we broke above this day by tonight, probably gonna see another leg up. Probably gonna come behind is the line, and maybe we'll start to slow down. We'll break maybe higher, try to catch up with these levels. Okay. As all to do is dollar index as well is going down, so keep that in mind as well. Pound, lovely candle here, breakout with no retracement so far. Keep going, green, green. Of course, the dollar is weak, and that's why. And we're coming back up to these levels again from the push down, come back up. That was resistant. I was waiting for this momentum. I told you guys since here, I think we're going to see another leg down. One leg here, pull back, another leg. Now what happening? One, two. I could calculate this all together as one leg, and we'll be looking for the second leg. So what I'm looking for, I'm looking higher highs and these highs. That could be the third one, then a small pullback, and we'll continue back up. Okay, that's going to be resistance as well. These two lines and this zone itself, it's a strong resistance for now. But if non-farm payroll become negative, not as expected, is obviously going to be negative because a lot of people they claim benefit and so on. So that's going to push the dollar down. Okay, and will give a chance to euro and pound to keep going up. Okay. Next, pound yen is accelerating up already. Pound yen break a new high. 1-2 pushes, come back down, failure to break below this level. Went down, come back up, retest the breakout, and we start to accelerate from here. It's helping because dollar S&P 500 is going up and yen is weak. That's the reason why as well. Plus, pound is getting strong and euro getting weaker. And dollar getting weaker. So yen is weak. S&P 500 going up, encouraging yen buyer to stay out of the market, and that's why we see the momentum up. And if you want to monitor yen, you should be looking to pound yen. That's the best pairs to monitor the situation. Roughly from breakout of here, 50% of this channel, accelerate back up, break with no deep retracement. It's all very tiny ones every day. So we're going to see another one up there, the 34, maybe 40, 140. It's not far from 140. We can reach it. What's the next resistance? About 39 200 39 16. I'm looking here. If you're not sure what I'm looking at, that could be the first resistance from the breakout. We retest it quickly and we start accelerating down, coming back up. Probably going to be the first pull back, and maybe we'll break through. The momentum is strong. We look like on a bull trend, pull back. We're looking for wave 3, pull back with 4, then we'll break wave 5 higher. Still, if S&P 500 keep going up, that will be a great case. But if it's not, pound could be strong and maybe can push this currency around, these pairs around. Still Aussie getting some strength and strong because of S&P 500. But today we see that Aussie started getting weaker. They started to exit their positions. Looks that way. Indecision. There is a swing high, swing low inside the day, and if we close near these levels, they're indicating losing the steam, losing the momentum. So probably we'll see some certain pullback to the 20 moving average at least, or to these lows. If it does, the moving average start to catch up with the momentum, probably it's gonna meet with this level here. We'll touch the 20 moving average, and we're gonna see 1, 2, 3 more higher to the next support. And it's this support, breakout, and resistance now. When I say support, it means support and resistance. It depends on where the price coming from, the bottom or the top. If the price coming from the bottom, is going to be resistance. If it's coming from the top, it's going to be support. But it's normally support because that's the right name for it, because it's always supporting the price. It doesn't matter if it's short or long, you originally supporting the price, or the big player that's supporting this level, or someone want to exit and re-enter or break even. There's a lot of orders coming around these levels. That's why they react when they come near it. Okay, and so I'm looking for a retracement, retrace back to the 20 moving average. If this is stronger momentum up above the 20 moving average, then it will indicate change in trend. What we'll be looking for, I will be looking for a pushback up above the 20 moving average, re-drop that down again and start holding its level from here. And that will be in the line with S&P 500 pullback. Okay. And we're looking at about New Zealand. New Zealand, of course, is strong, holding well. And I see that New Zealand is individually holding without the stock. Stock is still going up, but as you can see, pound and Aussie is kind of indecision. But it looks like we can hold this support here. Not all the pairs is going to be the same. Keep that in mind. Whatever suits your trading strategy, you should just trade what you think it's going to work out for you. Because I said so, not just because of your strategy said so. So look for a pullback to the 20 moving average. Let's see if it's going to hold or not, and maybe we'll continue back up from there. But I don't recommend to sell here. You should be waiting for retracement to the 20 moving average or near the 20 moving average, hoping for a pullback, and you can take some money out of it. Then if you start to break out higher, then you trade the trend back up. Okay. So moving on, bound CAD. Bound CAD as well. CAD seeing some. As I talked earlier about oil, we're looking like we're gonna go down. We have our first test here, the 20 moving average, but we didn't really go down from there. I'm like the chance there was opportunity the following day, but we didn't really break below that day touched the 20 moving average, and now we can consolidate here. This has happened before, as you can see here. Then we'll start to break up higher. It's very confusing because of oil is involved as well with CAD momentum. So let's see if the 20 moving average starts change direction, then we'll start to trading it around the 20 moving average. Possibly that could be the next play. Let's see if that's going to actually be a butterfly or is going to be sideways, failure to break low, then continue back up. But the momentum is down, is almost complete, so I think that's going to happen. We're going to see some return back up. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my videos and being in the channel. I'm part of this community. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment and ask me any question you like. And I will be uploading more videos in the future. I'll be doing update every day, hopefully. Sorry about today. I had some personal matter I had to deal with, and I just finished it, and I just wanted to do the video quickly. Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.